So, hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So, you can see this reading, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. For that reading, we have already done a list of headings and a short answer type question. But this yes, no, not given questions were left. So, let's do this type of question. Let's read it. Yes, no, not given. They are almost like same. True, false, not given. You have to say agree. Yes, when the statement agrees with the views of the writer. The where will be the views? Views will be in the paragraph. Okay, and this like 8 number statement is given. This is statement. So let's do one by one. So we will not be reading all these questions at one go. No, we will be read it one by one because this is not list of heading. This is not which section contains the following information. So we will be reading one by one, and when we will be reading it, definitely we will try to understand the meaning and we will come out with one or two keywords. Those keywords will take us to the location of the question statement. Okay, now let's do it. Alien civilizations may be able to help the human race to overcome serious problems. Okay, so of course, civilization, I'm just doing it, highlighting the words. These are keywords. May be able to help the human race to overcome serious problems. Okay, help also. These are the so first civilization. Alien civilization is the keyword that will take us to the location as well as help also. After getting the location, we will try to read whether this alien civilization are whether these alien civilization are able to help human being to overcome some serious issues on this earth or not. If it is able to help, then yes. If it is not, then no. And if they are not talking about whether these civilization outside people will help us, human being means in tackling any issue and all, then not given will be there. Okay, so civilization, this paragraph we have already read. So civilization earth, I think so, yeah, civilization earth is here. Okay, let's read it from here. However, there are other reasons for being interested in life exist elsewhere. For example, we have had civilization on earth for perhaps only a few thousand years ago, and threats of nuclear war and pollution over the last few decades have told us that survival may be tenuous. So same how my cursor is moving, your pencil should move like that. Will we last for another 1,000 years, or we will wipe ourselves since the lifetime? I'm looking for serious problem also, helping also. Okay, since the lifetime of a planet like ours is several billion years, we can expect it. If other civilizations do survive in our galaxy, their ages will range from 0 to several billion. Does any other civilization? Okay, any other civilization. Now I think they are talking about alien civilization. That we hear from is likely to be far older on average than ourselves. The mere existence of such a civilization will tell us that long-term survival is possible. Okay, gives up some causes for optimism. Okay, it is even possible. Okay, even possible means maybe that older civilization may pass on the benefits of their experience in dealing with threats to survival, such as in dealing with threats. In dealing means okay, to overcome with threats means problem to survival, such as nuclear, global pollution and other threats that we haven't yet discovered. It means these civilization may be able to help human race to overcome serious problems. So these are the serious problem in dealing with threats, means to overcome the problem. So the civilization we have got. So it means this is clearly saying yes, they are saying. So here I can just put why only. Okay, so it is not possible. So for me, I'm just learning. Not possible to write full yes. Okay, now coming to next question, that is ninth number. SETI scientists are trying to find a life form that resembles humans in many ways. Okay, so SETI scientists, okay, these scientists are trying to find a life form that resembles humans in that resembles humans. Uh, will tell us long terms. Some it is even possible that older civilization that are trying to find a life form. Okay, that was in different. Next question. Okay, that resembles humans in many ways. Okay, let's move to C paragraph. Yeah, now this is C paragraph. Okay, now I will be taking. So we were doing ninth question. So in ninth, we are having scientists are trying to find a life form. So scientist and life form and resembles means looking like humans in many ways. Okay. So in discussing whether we are on state the scientist word is here, adopt two ground rules. First are generally ignored since uh, because we have already read this paragraph, that's why I'm not reading it so hardly means strongly. Yeah, life form is also here. See this. Second, we make a very conservative assumption that we are looking for a we miss now scientists they are talking. We are looking for a life form that is pretty well like us. It means yes, pretty like us. It means they resemble us. So my answer is yes, you decided. Yes, yes, you are right. So, yes, this is yes, 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 answer is this. So, again, I am writing here only Y. Okay, now this is again. Now, coming to next 10th number question. 10th number question again, I will just highlight it. The Americans and Australians. Okay, good. The Americans and Australians, these are the two words. These are the keywords. They will take us to the location. Have cooperated on their joint research projects. Now, after getting location, Americas and Australians, we will find whether they have cooperated on their joint research projects. Okay, so Americans and Australians, can we? No, nothing is there. Americans, no American word is here. I don't think so. You can see because A capital in both. Nothing is there. So let's move to next page. Yeah, here. Yes. Now highlighter. I will read. I will try to find the word. Yeah, Australian word is here. Okay. Now I will start reading from here and try to understand the meaning what the statement was saying. So in 10th question, our keywords were Americans and Australians. After that, we will find joint research projects also. Okay, Australian word is here. So far, there have been a number of searches by various groups around the world, including Australian searches using the radio telescope at Parkes, New South Wales. Until now, there have not been any detection from the 100,000 stars which have been searched. The scale of the searches have been increased dramatically since 1992, when the US Congress per year for 10 years to conduct a thorough research for extraterrestrial life. Okay, much of the money in this project word is also here, is being spent on developing the hardware, a special hardware to search. Okay, I am not getting like that. The American operated telescope is here. Australian searches are also there. American searches are also there, but they are not talking about any cooperation on joint research paragraph. So now, what about your answer? Now you are also testing yourself. Now tell me the answer. I have got my answer. It is not given. Okay, it is not given. Okay, at the end I will definitely show you the answer sheet. Okay, 11th number. So far, SETI scientists have picked up radio signals from several stars. Okay, so far, till now, SETI scientists have picked up radio signals for several stars. Okay, from several stars. Now, stars word is here. Uh, but radio signals, they were talking in next paragraph. Stars are there. Project is searching nearest likely star. Okay, yeah, here you can see this. This part of the project is searching the nearest 1000 likely stars with high sensitivity for signals in the frequency. They are searching. Okay, the other part of the project is undirected search, which is monitoring space and all. So let's move to next paragraph. Then maybe situation may be more clear about this question. Okay. Now again keyword. So here in 11th keyword is have picked up, whether they have picked up radio signals from several stars, the question depends over here. If they have picked so many things, definitely so many radio signals from, then it is yes. If they have not picked, they are still searching for it, it means it is wrong. And if they are not talking about radio signal and all that, it means not given. There is a considerable debate how we should react if we detect a, okay, in previous question, this in previous paragraph they were talking like that. Okay, I will just show it to you, just a minute. Yeah, I understood. Here they are taking so far, word is also given. The Where I have just, okay, thus, so far we are looking now. So this part of the project is searching the nearest 1000 likely stars with high sensitivity for signals in the frequency this and this. So it means answer is yes, answer is no. They have not received anything here. Okay, so I will just write here no answer. For 11th also we will just write no. Okay, so I'm learning it, so sorry about it. So now next one is 12th. The NASA project attracted criticism from some of the members of Congress. Okay, the NASA project we will just find in next paragraph. In D paragraph we got this 11th also, and in 12th we will just try to find NASA and whether NASA had attracted criticism from political, means members of Congress, means government or political thing, then it is yes. And if they have not attracted any criticism, they have attracted welcoming thing and all, then no. And if they are not talking any NASA project attracted criticism members of Congress, then not given. Considerable debate over how we should react if we detect a signal from an alien civilization. Everybody agrees that we should not reply immediately, quite apart from the sending a reply over long distance, large distance, short notice. It raises a host of ethical questions that would. Okay, I am looking for NASA project, so I can't see here NASA and members of Congress also here. No. Okay, next question we can read, then we can decide. If a signal from outer space is received, it will be important to respond promptly. So this 13 number question is here. It is important to respond. How we should react means it is important to respond. So it means 12th is not given. 12th is not given. Okay. So 13 number, if a signal from outer space is received, it will be important to respond promptly. If it is like, why it is important to respond promptly. Promptly means shortly, at a moment. So they are saying if there is a considerable debate over how we should react if we detect a signal. Now condition is there. If we detect a signal from outer space, if we detect a signal from an alien civilization, means the same. Everybody agrees that we should not reply immediately. But here contradiction is there. Here they are saying it will be important to respond promptly. It means they are contradiction. It means answer is no. Now look at the full answer sheet. I will just show it to you. Yeah, this is the answer. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the answer for full reading passage. You can see this. Thank you so much.